Hey gorgeous, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into something super juicy and exciting. It's all about you. We're talking about personal growth, baby. We're going to unlock the secrets to becoming the most amazing version of yourself, inside and out. Whether you're craving more confidence, deeper connections, or just a little more sparkle in your step, this video is your ultimate guide. Get ready to unleash your inner rock star, because we're about to embark on a transformative journey together. So grab your journal, your favorite beverage, and let's dive in. Are you ready to boost yourself? Let's do this. First things first, let's talk about your unique talents and skills. You, my friend, are a gold mine of potential just waiting to be unearthed. Take some time to really get to know yourself. What are you naturally drawn to? What lights you up inside? Those are your superpowers, and we're going to crank them up to 11. Once you've identified your strengths, let's set some juicy goals. Remember, darling, we're not talking about those vague resolutions that fizzle out before February. We want specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. SMART goals, get it? Write those babies down and put them somewhere you'll see them every single day. And don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and experiment. The real magic happens when you take what you've learned and put it into practice in the real world. Let's talk about the power of consistency, baby. You don't need to overhaul your entire life overnight to see incredible transformation. Small, intentional changes to your daily routine can create a ripple effect that leads to massive results over time. Start with your morning routine. How you begin your day sets the tone for everything that follows. Instead of hitting the snooze button 5 times and scrolling through social media, try waking up a little earlier and dedicating some time to yourself. Meditate, journal, move your body. Whatever fills your cup and sets you up for success. Time blocking is another game changer. It's like giving your day a structure so you're not constantly feeling scattered and overwhelmed. Break your day into chunks and assign specific tasks or activities to each block. You'll be amazed at how much more productive you become when you're intentional with your time. As your day winds down, create a relaxing evening routine that signals to your body and mind that it's time to rest and recharge. Let's be honest, you can't run on empty. What you put into your body directly impacts your energy levels, your mood, and your overall well-being. Think of your body as a high-performance machine. It deserves premium fuel. Focus on nourishing your body with whole, unprocessed foods that are as close to nature as possible. Load up on colorful fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and whole grains. Planning your meals in advance is a total game changer. It takes the guesswork out of healthy eating and prevents those last-minute drive-through decisions when hunger strikes. Spend some time each week prepping healthy snacks and meals so you're armed and ready with nutritious options no matter how crazy your schedule gets. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Water is essential for every single bodily function, so make sure you're sipping on it throughout the day. Now, I'm not saying you have to give up all your favorite treats. Life's too short for that. But be mindful of your consumption of processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive caffeine. Let's talk about finding your inner zen. Beautiful. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get swept up in the chaos. Meditation is like a spa day for your mind. It's a chance to hit the pause button and be present. The benefits are endless: reduced stress, improved focus, and a greater sense of peace. Start small, even if it's just a few minutes each day. Find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Now let's talk about nurturing your soul, my friend. Spirituality looks different for everyone, and that's perfectly okay. It's not about rigid rituals or dogma. It's about connecting with something greater than yourself and finding meaning and purpose in your life. One powerful way to connect spiritually is through daily prayer or reflection. Take some time each day to connect with your higher power, whatever that looks like for you. It could be through journaling, meditation, spending time in nature, or simply sitting in quiet contemplation. Prayer isn't just about asking for things. It's about expressing gratitude for all the blessings in your life. Another beautiful way to connect spiritually is through acts of service. When you shift your focus from yourself to others, something magical happens. Engaging with your community is another way to connect spiritually and make a difference in the world. And never underestimate the power of connecting with nature. There's something incredibly grounding and awe-inspiring about spending time in the great outdoors. Let's talk about the importance of beauty sleep. Listen up, because this is non-negotiable. When you prioritize sleep, you're not just giving your body a chance to rest and repair, you're investing in your overall health, well-being, and yes, even your success. First and foremost, establish a consistent sleep schedule. That means going to bed and waking up around the same time each day, even on weekends. Create a relaxing bedtime routine that signals to your body and mind that it's time to wind down. Avoid screen time for at least an hour before bed, as the blue light emitted from electronic devices can interfere with your sleep. Transform your bedroom into a sleep sanctuary. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool, and invest in comfortable bedding. Limit your intake of stimulants like caffeine and alcohol, especially in the hours leading up to bedtime, and don't underestimate the power of a good wind-down routine. Listen up, my friend, because this one's important. You are the CEO of your life, and that means being fiercely protective of your energy. Just like you wouldn't put diesel in a Ferrari, you don't want to fill your precious mind and soul with negativity. Let's talk about media consumption. We're bombarded with information from all sides, and let's be real. A lot of it is negative and downright draining. Be mindful of the content you're consuming, whether it's news, social media, or even certain TV shows and movies. Your environment plays a huge role in your overall well-being. Create a space that nourishes your soul and inspires you to be your best self. Speaking of environment, let's talk about the people you surround yourself with. Are they lifting you up or dragging you down? Choose your inner circle wisely, my friend. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who believe in your dreams and encourage you to grow. Set healthy boundaries with these energy vampires. You don't have to engage in their negativity. And finally, be mindful of your screen time. Set limits on your social media use, turn off notifications, and schedule regular digital detoxes. Alright, gorgeous, let's talk about radiating kindness like sunshine. Approach the world with an open heart and a generous spirit. Small acts of kindness elevate your own vibration. Smile at a stranger, hold the door open, leave a kind note for your barista. Humility attracts abundance and joy. Be open to learning from others. Forgiveness is a gift you give yourself. Release the past and forgive. You deserve peace. Practice empathy and understanding. Create a compassionate and loving world. Let's talk about crushing those goals, even with a busy 9-to-5. You don't have to choose between a fulfilling career and pursuing your passions. Define your goals. Be specific and write them down. Incorporate your goals into your daily schedule. Stay flexible, adaptable, and committed. Remember, success isn't a straight line. Embrace the journey. Let's be real. Life can be a roller coaster of emotions, and sometimes stress can feel like an unwelcome passenger on the ride. But here's the thing. You don't have to let stress run the show. You have the power to manage your stress and emotions effectively, so you can navigate life's ups and downs with grace and resilience. Journaling is like a therapy session with your pen and paper. It's a safe space to release your thoughts and feelings, process your experiences, and gain clarity on what's truly important. Remember, your body is your temple. Moving your body is not just about physical health, it's about mental and emotional well-being too. Sometimes the best way to process your emotions is through creative expression. Whether it's painting, writing, playing music, or simply doodling in a notebook, find an outlet that allows you to tap into your creativity and express yourself freely. Remember, you don't have to go through this alone. Seeking support from trusted friends, family members, or a therapist can provide you with a safe and non-judgmental space to process your emotions, gain new perspectives, and develop healthy coping mechanisms. Let's talk about living your best life, mind, body, and spirit. Create a life aligned with your values and joy. Money matters. It impacts our ability to live fully. Nurture social connections for well-being. Make time for loved ones. Declutter your space to boost energy. Volunteer to give back and connect. Reflect regularly to stay grounded. Schedule time for introspection. There you have it, my friend. We've covered a lot of ground today, and I'm so proud of you for taking this journey with me. Remember, personal growth is an ongoing process, not a destination. Embrace the journey, celebrate your wins, and don't be afraid to stumble along the way. Now I want to hear from you. What resonated with you most in this video? What are you committed to implementing in your own life? Share your thoughts and intentions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more juicy tips, inspiring stories, and practical advice to help you create a life you love. Until next time, shine bright.